today. We'll have to do Navajo Loop. Beautiful day to do it. So Bryce Canyon's not actually a canyon because there's no river, no water at the bottom of it to carve it out. What it's known for, it's the world's largest collection of these spire rocks. We used to call them fairy chimneys when we were in Cappadocia, but they're called hoodoos here. So who knew? There's hoodoos. We're gonna check them out a little bit later today. That's a different hike, but we might see them on this one. Not too sure what to expect, but so. Okay, so first impressions, it does kind of have a similar vibe to Cappadocia's fairy chimneys, at least in this section. So this is the Navajo part. I wonder if they're formed the same way with the rain kind of drizzling down on them over time. I'm sure I'll learn along the way at some point. No guardrail, and that's a long way down a slippery sliding sand, so make sure you hold the kids' hands if you come here. Dangerous. And then this is what the other side looks like. It's beautiful forest. Bet you can hear the wind. So the erosion definitely was caused in part by this wind whipping around. I don't know if it's like this all the time, but over millions of years, I'm pretty sure it was windy on a lot of things. Like sandcastles. It's beautiful. Kind of reminds me of the cathedral, the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, the way the spires go up. I wonder if there's inspiration. Yeah, this side looks like drizzle sandcastles you make at the beach. But it seems as we walk around, the views just keep changing. I see why this is one of the most popular hikes. It's called the Silent City. And I don't know, in the beginning it said there was no creek at the bottom, but now it says there is one, and I guess it's dried up, so it doesn't count. Well, looks like I took a wrong turn yet again. I get so taken by the scenery and just follow it around. Apparently I'm going up to the highest point, which is Bryce Lookout Point. I'll double back and hit the Navajo. I walk fast. Let's go get inspired. Whew.
Là, ils ont bâti dimanche. Ils ont bâti
Alright, so now we're gonna go down into it. This is the Navajo Trail. Market's closed. Oh, it's great being up close. Switchbacks. I guess they're going down. I don't know what's on the other side of the canyon, but it can't be as bad as Angel's Landing. One, two bridges closed off. Makes sense though. Gotta preserve them. I love being down here. Alright, so off the Navajo Trail, now we're on the Queens Guard Trail. I think this is a dried up creek. Maybe a little tributary of it, not sure. I don't know if the Navajo lived in these, but I know they did out in Turkey. Pretty magical here too. Wow. Okay, I'm coming back out.
Nee, die kleine hier.
Looks like the queen in profile.
Die kleinste hier.
Also pretty spectacular. So Miriam had like a 30-minute head start. I thought I was gonna catch up to her. She must be actually hiking pretty fast today. Mini switchbacks, not so bad. More switchbacks. looks like smashed brick. Chipmunk. Sunrise Point.
Me too. And I go down. I go to the general store.
There you have it. They say it's better than Cappadocia. Okay, now's the part where I get to learn about it. So, sandstone, shale, and then limestone.
Hier staat ook nog traan. Kijk, het is hier zo water zo. Steeds verder naar beneden. Kijk, en dan gaat het hier zo. Schiet toch op, joh. Kijk, timer. Timer. Timer in je tab. Kom eens. Kijk.
And that's how it's done. Go be a meerkat. Mary. Here. Go stick your head up. Spotted a meerkat. It's supposed to be a prairie dog, but I guess you could be a meerkat.
Survival was a big thing for our people. And they used to tell me that if you go somewhere up in the mountains, you always feed the mountains. By that, she was always, she taught us to throw food in the order so that the young kids don't get lost, we don't get lost, the mountain spirits don't take us, you know, that type of stuff. That's what we learned from her. And she had a boat to where we would take her out. Cry because she couldn't get out to this place.
Kijk nou. Dit is gemaakt van wiel.
So I had no idea that there was something like the fairy chimneys that we saw in Gourmet, Cappadocia here in the US. I don't know, I had no idea actually what hoodoos were in Bryce, but I have to say I think Gourmet, Cappadocia is always going to have a special place in my heart for it, although this is pretty dope too. What do you think, Mary?
I thought it was awesome, but I agree. I totally think the fairy chimney formations at Gourmet were the most special ones, but these ones are so cool. I really recommend if you're out west here to come check these ones out. They're really pretty.
Yeah, and even if you're not out west, just hit the national parks. Got a lot of amazing stuff to see in the States too. Road trip it is.